Hi, my name is Carlos with the ComfortStar Technical Support Department. Today, we're going to be going over the wiring of an AHU, CPR, or CPH side discharge unit with a ComfortStar thermostat. This information can be found as a technical bulletin on our website or on the technical support app. In scenario number 1, we are going to be hooking up the thermostat to HA and HB on our display board, and we're going to be hooking up our condenser cables to S1 and S2 on the main board of the AHU. In the condenser, we will be connecting S1 and S2 on the top terminal board, which is clearly labeled, and we're going to make sure that all the dip switches are in the off position. Once the unit is powered on, you should get a 00 display on this board. Once the thermostat is turned on, your settings will reflect in the display board of the AHU. And in scenario number 1, your blower motor will come on within a couple of seconds. In this setting, your blower motor will not shut off. Even when the temperature is satisfied, the blower will keep running. The only way to turn it off is to physically turn off the thermostat and your blower turns off. If you have any further questions, please call the technical support department at 305-500-9898.
Visit us online at www.comfortstarusa.com for more information.